Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Gaga, Mary J. Black and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having Zainab on this channel.
Actually, she was the one we did a switch makeup challenge with some weeks back. You guys can check it on our previous video.
Yo guys, I'll be dropping the link down our description box, so you need to check it out. Right. Yo, I love that switch makeup challenge with Miss Mama. It's so funny. So today we'll be having her on this channel for a makeup transformation. Yeah, so this lady here, actually the makeup artist has been the one that we had just watched reviewed makeup artists that gone best, yeah, on our YouTube channel. So actually you say, okay, let's give her a try for a transformation, not for a worst review or best review, not for a review purpose, for a transformation. So this is the makeup we'll be having on Miss Zainab. Yes. Yeah, this is the makeup. Yo, that's the makeup. I love the makeup. I love the costume, the stones work on the side face. So we'll be having Zainab on this channel, so you guys need to please stay tuned and see how the makeup will look like, because it's not easy to make up a dark skin person, because sometimes you see sometimes a lot of makeup artists find very hard to make up a light skin person, and some of the makeup reviewed artists find very hard to make up a dark skin person, most especially the eyebrow. So let's see how she achieve the eyebrow on Zainab, because she's a little bit dark on ebony color. So let's see how she achieve the eyebrow on Zainab. So you guys need to please stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. 5,000 thumbs up for Miss Muhammad, 5,000 thumbs up for me, and 5,000 thumbs up for Zainab. Yeah, so 15,000 thumbs up. So you guys need to please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. See, let me show you guys our outfit for today. We are putting on anko. This
same outfit.
Yeah, Miss Mama, go back a little bit. This is how the outfit look like. So the same outfit, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. You know we love you guys.
Yo guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.